Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are working on a full lace wig, and I was super excited but very nervous to install this because I wanted to do it by myself, but clearly, as you can see right here, I needed more than enough. Like, I needed so much help with this, and I realized I really give props to these girls who know how to put on their full lace wigs by themselves, because I was stressed, y'all. Oh my goodness. It took us so long to finish this. It was super aggravating. I just felt like, I don't know. It was just so much. But I'm just so thankful that my friends was there to help me, because this was like impossible. So basically, she's using this adhesive from Erica J to glue down the back of this cap. And at first we was going to use what's Deneen Defines Gold Glue. So her glue is silicone based, so it's better for sweating, getting in the water, stuff like that. So at first we tried to use it, but my glue was like jelly. Like, I think it froze or some weird stuff happened to it, so we wasn't able to use that. So we just used Erica J's glue to hold down the back, and it did have a pretty good hold. I felt like it could have been laid a little bit better, but for the most part, it did its job, I can say. For the most part, absolutely. So they're basically just blow drying and making sure they get it completely dry to where there's a clear line going across the cap.
Alright, y'all, I never did a full lace wig before, so my friends is gonna have to help me do this. I was gonna do it by myself, but I realized that that's not a smart thing to do, and plus I got cute baby hairs in the back, so I don't want to mess them up. So my friend's gonna have to do it. This is a setup in the B&B. Obviously, this is not my normal setup. I actually really like this, but we just gotta get the lighting together because it's just not much light going on right now. So here's the wig. The wig is from The wig is from Hairvivi. They sent me a full lace wig. This is what it looks like inside. No combs or anything. I think they had a strap inside, but I took it out a little while ago. And I believe this is like, what, 22 inches, something like that. And so I'm gonna try to do a little something for y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna style it yet, but I gotta get this wig on. They also bleached it and pre-plucked it, so it came looking exactly how you see it. So for the girls who don't know how to pluck or bleach, boom. And you can just get it installed and you Gucci. So let's get this on.
So with putting this wig on, it was a bit frustrating because it didn't have a band on it, so I didn't have like a very firm, tight placement of the wig for me to glue it. I feel like when I glue the hair down while it's like misshaped like this, it leaves so much room for the rolls to form, and that's happened to a lot of people while installing their frontal wig. And the main problem is it'll start wrinkling, and once you glue it down, it's gonna glue wrinkled, so you're gonna be able to tell. It's just ridiculous. Like, it's really ridiculous. So Lord, just keep watching. tell y'all something. Oh my goodness, gluing the back of a wig down is so annoying, especially when you're used to like always having control and doing it by yourself. It was so annoying. It felt so weird having my friends help me with my hair. Like, I was thankful, of course, but it was just so weird. I was getting easily aggravated. Like, oh my God, like, hurry up. I was like driving them crazy. And this is like a tedious process. I really commend the women who install full lace wigs and who wear them. Like, this, it feels so weird if you're so used to wearing just a closure or just a frontal. Like, it's so weird. So I finally got to the point where I wanted to add a ponytail, well, extend my ponytail. So I added a bundle. I think that I should have added 2 bundles, but being that I could barely see what I was doing in the first place, it was really like a little hard. That's why I had my friends come in and help me with this too. But being that the hair is not so short, obviously, but being that the hair is pretty short, I think that the more, if you're going to make the bundles, make the ponytail super long and you want to use like 26, 30, you should definitely double it up while keeping it very as thin as possible at the base and as thick as you can in the ponytail, because I only added 1 bundle of 30 and you can really see the difference in the hair from the actual ponytail of the wig and the extensions. So you want to be very careful with that. Alright y'all, so we have come to the end of the video. Let me know y'all thoughts in the comments below. Let me know how y'all feel about full lace wigs. Let me know if you would try to put on a full lace wig by yourself after watching this video. I really want to know what y'all thinking. I'm so happy that I finally did a little bit of a different wig install. I'm always doing frontals and all that stuff, so it was pretty cool to do this full lace wig. So yeah, I didn't get to shoot a proper outro, so thank you for watching my video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.